Most people ignore this one early warning sign until it's too late. Weak legs aren't just about aging, they're one of the strongest predictors of how fast your health will decline. If your legs are getting weaker, it's not just cosmetic. It's a serious signal from your body. Weakness in the lower body affects balance, stability, energy levels, and even how efficiently you move through daily life. That's why declining leg strength is closely linked with falls, injuries, and loss of independence as people age. The good news is you don't need a gym or complicated routines. A few simple movements done consistently can rebuild strength and improve overall function. 1. Calf raises. If you ever feel unsteady when walking or standing, this is usually where the problem starts. Calf raises directly target that weakness. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Slowly raise your heels, pause, then lower with control. Start with both legs, then progress to one leg if comfortable. Using a stair for a deeper stretch increases effectiveness. Over time, this improves ankle stability and reduces the risk of falls, one of the biggest concerns after 60. 2. Horse stance. If your legs feel weak when standing still for long periods, this is the exercise that builds real endurance. Research in strength and rehabilitation training shows that static holds improve muscular endurance and joint stability, especially in older adults. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width, lower your body as if sitting into an invisible chair, and hold the position with a straight back. Start with short holds and gradually increase time. This strengthens the quads, glutes, and hips muscles essential for standing and moving safely without support. 3. Lunges. If you notice one leg feels weaker or balance feels uneven when walking, lunges help restore control and coordination. Step forward slowly, lower your body with control, then push back up and switch sides. Move carefully rather than quickly. Use a chair or wall if needed for safety. This improves single leg strength, hip mobility, and walking stability. Important because walking is essentially a repeated one-leg movement. When done consistently, these simple movements improve lower body strength, balance, and movement efficiency.